Hi, welcome back to another video. I am Mohammad Shariful Islam from Rajshahi Polytechnic Institute in Mechatronics Technology. In this video, we discuss about a water level indicator and automatically motor on off using Siemens S-7 200 PLC. Now, we make a program for automatically motor on off with indicator. I already make this program here. This is the program for automatically motor on off and water level indicator. Here see Q 0.0, this output is the motor, and Q 0.1 is the indicator for motor on status, and Q 0.2 is motor off indicator. And here we have used two sensor. This is down sensor and up sensor. We set this sensor is the lower level, and this sensor the upper level. When water level is down this sensor, then the motor is on and the indicator motor on indicator is on, and this level upper level is over the water, then the motor is off and motor on indicator is off, and the motor off indicator is on. And then not motor is on. When the lower level of water is the lower level, then the motor is on. Now we check out the now we download this program and check how to work in this program. Okay, I download this program. We have no error or no warning, so we can download this program. Okay, the program is downloading. Okay, download was successful. Look, this is our motor, look like a motor, and motor on indicator, and this is motor off indicator. See, the motor and motor on indicator is on because the water level is lower the lower level. Look, this 0.0 and 0.1 is low, that means the water level is lower, and in this cause this motor and motor on indicator is on. Now the lower level, this is the lower level. We can use I use this switch look like a sensor, and reality we use sensor. I on this level, that means water level is up the lower level, and finally the upper level, this switch is upper level. I press this switch, then that means the water level is upper level over. Look, motor off, that means motor off indicator is on. I release this button, but motor is not on because water level is decrease gradually, and when this lower level is cause, and then the motor is on. Now I press this button, that means lower level on and motor is on. Again I lower level is over, but still motor is not off. When the upper level is over the water, then motor is off, and I release this button. That means water is decreased gradually, but motor is not on. When this level is cross the water, then motor is on. See, motor is on, and again on. Upper level is over water and motor is off. And this is the system of automatically motor on off with indicator.